When it comes to screen recording and video editing, Techsmith is one of the most talked about names in the industry. But before you make the decision to buy, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know about Techsmith products, things that could affect your experience and ensure you get the most value. Stick around until the end, because I'll be revealing why some features might surprise you, and I'll also show you how to get the best offer for this software, plus a completely free trial. First off, Techsmith isn't just one tool, but a whole suite of software designed to cater to all your screen recording and editing needs. With products like Camtasia and Snagit, it's a popular choice for both beginners and professionals alike. But compared to some other screen recording tools like OBS Studio or ScreenFlow, Techsmith's products are known for their user-friendliness and extensive feature sets. If you're used to free tools, you might initially hesitate at the price point, but here's why it might be worth the investment. Next, one of the standout features of Techsmith products is their intuitive interface. Whether you're recording a tutorial, creating a product demo, or putting together a training session, you don't need to be an expert to start using their software right away. The drag-and-drop editor in Camtasia, for example, allows you to easily add transitions, text, and effects without spending hours learning complicated tools. That's something many other products like OBS Studio just don't offer in the same seamless way. The third thing you should know is that Techsmith offers powerful editing tools. Many screen recording tools leave you hanging when it comes to editing, forcing you to use a separate program for cutting and refining your video. Not with Techsmith. With Camtasia, you get a built-in video editor that's both robust and beginner-friendly. You can easily trim clips, add animations, and layer sound effects, all without needing to switch between multiple applications. Next, let's talk about the learning curve. While Techsmith products are accessible, there's still a bit of a learning curve, especially if you plan to use advanced features. But what sets Techsmith apart is their extensive library of tutorials and customer support. Whether you're new to screen recording or experienced, you'll find tons of resources that help you master their tools. For comparison, other tools might not provide as much hands-on support, leaving you on your own when it's time to troubleshoot. The fifth thing to note is that Techsmith products are versatile across different use cases. Whether you're in education, marketing, or just creating content for social media, Techsmith offers tools tailored for different needs. For instance, Snagit is fantastic for quick screen grabs and annotations, making it ideal for creating step-by-step guides or sharing visual feedback. Camtasia, on the other hand, is built for more complex video production, including adding callouts, voiceovers, and interactive quizzes. Another feature worth mentioning is the seamless integration with other software. If you're using Techsmith in combination with tools like PowerPoint, Zoom, or even Google Drive, you'll appreciate the ease with which Techsmith software syncs. This is one area where Techsmith really shines, as it makes it incredibly easy to incorporate external assets into your project without needing to deal with file compatibility issues. Now, the seventh and final thing to know is the pricing model. While Techsmith offers a subscription option, it's their one-time purchase plan that often stands out to users. In an industry where many tools are pushing recurring monthly fees, Techsmith's one-time license can be a more cost-effective option in the long run, especially if you're a serious content creator who will use the software regularly. But if you're not sure whether Techsmith is for you, don't worry. There's a free trial available that lets you explore the product risk-free. And if you want to get your hands on Techsmith at the best possible price, click the first link in the description below. That link will get you exclusive access to the best free trial offer available, so you can test out all these features yourself and see if Techsmith is the right fit for your needs.